20 classic cars for $5,000 or less. Some of these could be true hidden gems. Let's check them out. Number 1. 1963 Ford Fairlane, $5,000, Guntown, Mississippi. This 1963 Ford Fairlane is listed for $5,000 in Guntown, Mississippi. It's an original 6-cylinder car with an automatic transmission, and according to the seller, it will run and drive. A title is included, making it a straightforward starting point for someone looking at an affordable classic. Overall, this appears to be a solid survivor rather than a full restoration project. While few additional details are provided, it presents itself as an honest, original car that could be enjoyed as is while being improved over time. Number 2. 1968 Ford Galaxie 500 XL, $5,000, Bardstown, Kentucky. This 1968 Ford Galaxie 500 XL is offered for $5,000 in Bardstown, Kentucky. It features a 302 V8, automatic transmission, fresh C4 transmission rebuild, original interior, and several upgrades including front disc brakes, new brake components, and power brakes. The seller says it runs and drives. The body is described as having good lines, although 2 dents remain on the hood from a fallen tree. It still needs a little work, but with its mechanical updates and drivable condition, it looks like a usable project that can be enjoyed while further improvements are made.
Number 3. 1975 Ford Granada Ghia, $3,950, Chesapeake, Virginia. This 1975 Ford Granada Ghia is available for $3,950 in Chesapeake, Virginia. Equipped with a 250 inline-6 and automatic transmission, it also features factory air conditioning, bucket seats, power steering, power brakes, and an AM/FM radio. The seller notes low mileage along with a recently serviced drivetrain. The original paint and interior are still present, with the cabin reportedly in very good condition. However, the paint is showing its age and the brakes need some attention, making this more of a light project than a complete restoration candidate. Number 4. 1979 Chevrolet El Camino, $5,000, Midland, Georgia. This 1979 Chevrolet El Camino is listed for $5,000 in Midland, Georgia. The seller states that it runs and drives great and includes a new power steering pump. No air conditioning is fitted, but otherwise few issues are mentioned. Based on the listing, this appears to be one of the more road-ready vehicles in the group. It seems suitable for someone looking for a driver that may only require routine maintenance rather than major restoration work.
Number 5. 1963 Ford Falcon Futura, $5,000, Morgantown, West Virginia. This 1963 Ford Falcon Futura is offered for $5,000 in Morgantown, West Virginia. Powered by a 170 inline-6 with a freshly rebuilt 2-speed automatic transmission, it runs and drives while also including bucket seats, a console, new floor pans, and numerous spare parts. The seller describes it as a 20-footer, meaning it looks best from a distance and still has visible cosmetic flaws. Even so, with many new and refurbished parts included, it offers a solid foundation for someone wanting a long-term classic Ford project. Number 6. 1969 Chevrolet Impala Sedan 4D, $4,500, Galesville, Wisconsin. This 1969 Chevrolet Impala Custom is listed for $4,500 in Galesville, Wisconsin. Equipped with a 327 small block V8 and Power Glide automatic transmission, the seller says the car runs and drives, making it a usable project from the start. The solid frame is a major plus, but the car still needs floor pans and has signs of older amateur bodywork. The engine has also developed a knock, so while it remains a running vehicle, buyers should expect mechanical work as part of the restoration.
Number 7. 1974 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe 2D, $5,000, Lansing, Michigan. This 1974 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 is available for $5,000 in Lansing, Michigan. It comes with a 355 V8, 4-speed manual transmission, and a clean title. According to the seller, the car runs and drives without major issues. Cosmetic work is still needed before the car is fully finished, but the mechanical side appears to be largely sorted. For someone wanting a drivable second-generation Camaro project, this looks like a straightforward starting point. Number 8. 1975 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe 2D, $5,000, Carlton, Michigan. This 1975 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray is listed for $5,000 in Carlton, Michigan. Powered by a 350 V8, backed by a turbo 400 automatic transmission, the seller describes it as a solid driver with a strong frame that is ready to get in and go. Rather than a restoration project, this Corvette appears to be a usable classic that can be driven immediately. The seller is primarily interested in trades, but based on the description, it sounds like a road-ready car needing little beyond normal ownership maintenance.
Number 9. 1964 Chevrolet Impala Sedan 4D, $5,000, Glen Burnie, Maryland. This 1964 Chevrolet Impala is offered for $5,000 in Glen Burnie, Maryland. Purchased as an LS swap project, it still has its original V8, although the seller does not know the exact engine size. The car runs and moves, and a clean title is included. The interior is described as being in decent condition, but the seller has not driven the car since purchasing it. It should be viewed as a project vehicle that already has a running drivetrain and a good starting point for future restoration. Number 10. 1981 Chevrolet Corvette, $5,000, Chatham, Virginia. This 1981 Chevrolet Corvette is priced at $5,000 in Chatham, Virginia. It is equipped with a Chevrolet 350 V8 and automatic transmission, showing just over 69,000 miles. The seller notes that the starter wire is broken and the brakes require repair. Overall, this Corvette needs mechanical attention before returning to regular road use. It is presented as a TLC project rather than a finished driver, making it a reasonable candidate for someone looking to revive a C3 Corvette at an affordable price. Number 11. 1966 Ford Mustang V6 Coupe 2D, $5,000, Elgin, Illinois. This 1966 Ford Mustang V6 Coupe is listed for $5,000 in Elgin, Illinois. It comes with a rebuilt engine and a clean title, making it a solid starting point for someone looking to finish a first-generation Mustang project. The seller notes that the mileage is unknown because of the replacement engine. Although the engine has already been rebuilt, the car still needs additional mechanical work before it can be considered road-ready. The brakes are believed to be locked up, and the transmission has a leak that will need attention. Those issues should be addressed before attempting to put the car back into regular service. Overall, this is an honest project rather than a finished driver. With the rebuilt engine already in place, much of the expensive work has been started, leaving the next owner to complete the remaining mechanical repairs. Number 12. 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass S, $4,000, Greenback, Tennessee. This 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass S is offered for $4,000 in Greenback, Tennessee. It is equipped with a 350 engine and turbo 400 automatic transmission, and the seller believes the engine has already been rebuilt. Although much of the project has been started, the car is not currently drivable. The seller states it still needs to be finished before it can return to the road. Rust is present in the lower fenders, quarter panels, and trunk area, while the front floors have already been patched. A replacement passenger side quarter skin, new seat covers, glass, and window trim are included with the sale. Overall, this is a straightforward restoration project with many extra parts already collected. It offers a solid foundation for someone willing to complete the remaining body and mechanical work.
Number 13. 1966 Chrysler 300 Sedan 4D, $3,950, Virginia Beach, VA. This 1966 Chrysler 300 is available for $3,950 in Virginia Beach, Virginia. Factory equipped with a high-performance 440 V8, bucket seats, console, and a posi rear end, the seller says the car runs and drives well. Several maintenance items have already been completed, including new brakes, brake lines, cylinders, carburetor, battery, and tires. The interior and exterior are also described as being in clean condition. Some minor rust is still present, but the seller does not describe it as severe. The biggest drawback is that the car currently has no title, although assistance obtaining one is offered through the seller's body shop. Overall, this appears to be one of the stronger running cars in the group, but buyers should carefully consider the title situation before making a purchase. Number 14. 1964 Plymouth Barracuda, $4,500, McKee, Kentucky. This 1964 Plymouth Barracuda is listed for $4,500 in McKee, Kentucky. It is powered by a 273 Commando V8 paired with a push-button automatic transmission. According to the seller, the car needs work before it can be considered complete. Few specific repairs are listed, but it is clearly being sold as a project rather than a finished driver. The seller believes it would make a good restoration candidate and is also open to trading for older trucks, Harley-Davidson motorcycles, or drag cars. Overall, this is an affordable early Barracuda project with desirable V8 power, making it an interesting option for someone looking to restore a classic Mopar.
Number 15. 1952 Chevrolet Deluxe, $4,800, Boyce, Virginia. This 1952 Chevrolet Deluxe is offered for $4,800 in Boyce, Virginia. It has already been upgraded with a small block 350 V8, turbo 350 automatic transmission, Camaro rear axle, Chevelle front subframe, and dual exhaust. The seller states that the car runs and drives. Several important maintenance items have also been replaced, including the master cylinder, steel brake lines, fuel tank, fuel lines, fuel pump, and proportioning valve. The primary remaining work involves replacing the rear window seal and weather stripping around the body. Aside from those items, the seller does not mention any major mechanical concerns. Overall, this looks like a usable resto-mod project that has already received numerous drivetrain upgrades while still needing a few finishing touches. Number 16. 1962 Chevrolet Corvair Monza 900, $5,000, Horton, Alabama. This 1962 Chevrolet Corvair Monza 900 is listed for $5,000 in Horton, Alabama. The seller describes it as an original survivor with factory paint, interior, owner's manual, and a car that still runs and drives. Although it can move under its own power, the seller recommends towing it. One carburetor needs cleaning and adjustment, and the engine also has an oil leak that should be repaired. The seller acknowledges that the mileage is uncertain and notes that a few mechanical issues are expected given the car's age. Even so, much of the originality has been preserved. Overall, this is an honest survivor that appears complete and running, but it will benefit from mechanical attention before returning to dependable road use. Number 17. 1978 Oldsmobile 88 Royal 88 two-door, $4,500, Battle Creek, Michigan. This 1978 Oldsmobile Delta 88 Royal is available for $4,500 in Battle Creek, Michigan. After sitting since 2007, the seller has replaced several brake lines, installed new ignition parts, plugs, wires, and a new fuel pump. The car now runs and drives, showing that much of the revival work has already been completed.
It has also received a quick exterior buff to improve its appearance. The remaining issue is the carburetor, which still needs adjustment because the engine stalls after the throttle is released. That repair will likely be necessary before the car becomes a dependable driver. Overall, this is a running revival project that appears close to being road-ready, with carburetor tuning representing the main unfinished mechanical task. Number 18. 1967 Chevrolet Nova, $4,700, Olive Branch, Mississippi. This 1967 Chevrolet Nova is listed for $4,700 in Olive Branch, Mississippi. It features a 6-cylinder engine paired with a Powerglide automatic transmission, and the seller says the engine will run. Despite running, the car is not drivable in its correct condition. It has been sitting for a long period and requires significant work before returning to the road. The seller specifically mentions no brakes, a bad fuel tank, rusty floors, a rusty trunk, and additional rust in other areas of the body. It should be viewed strictly as a restoration project. Overall, this Nova offers a complete starting point for someone seeking an early Chevy project, but it will require substantial mechanical and body repairs.
Number 19. 1974 Chevrolet Blazer, $1,800, Chesapeake, Ohio. This 1974 Chevrolet K5 Blazer is offered for $1,800 in Chesapeake, Ohio. The sale includes a 350 V8 engine along with the turbo 350 transmission, and the seller confirms that a title is available. The truck is currently incomplete and requires major work before it can be driven. The replacement engine still needs to be installed, and the rear axle and rear glass are also missing. The seller mentions a few rough body areas, but believes it would make a worthwhile project. The wheels and tires shown in the photos are not included with the sale. Overall, this is one of the more involved restoration projects in the group, but the low asking price reflects the amount of work still required. Number 20. 1953 Chevrolet Truck, $4,200, Coleman, Alabama. This 1953 Chevrolet truck is listed for $4,200 in Coleman, Alabama. The seller presents it as a flexible project that could be restored, turned into a hot rod, or modified in several different directions. The truck rolls easily, making transportation straightforward, but the original engine is currently locked up. While the drivetrain is complete, it will require rebuilding or replacement before the truck can run again. Rust is present in the typical areas expected for a vehicle of this age. No attempt is made to hide its condition, and the seller clearly markets it as a project. Overall, this is a complete vintage Chevrolet truck with good restoration potential, but buyers should expect a full mechanical rebuild along with the usual bodywork associated with an early 1950s pickup. Which classic would you take home and restore first? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoy honest, affordable classic car finds like these, don't forget to subscribe for more videos every week.